video for Country Craft Creations. Being on the design team, I am working with a lot of artisan cardstock and sharing those projects with you all. So make sure to check out the artisan cardstock. It is beautiful to work with, folds so nicely, holds together very well. And this is the white 100-pound. So I'm going to be using that with my project. And the paper collection that I chose to work with this time around is CartaBella, and it is the Season's Greetings collection. So you can see I picked up the titles and phrases here. So there are a lot of titles to work with, which I'll be using on my folio. I think I'm going to be making, it might be end up being a mini album, we'll see. But these are the things I'm going to be working with, and you can see that it has a mix of blues, obviously whites, and the green and red traditional coloring, a little bit hint of yellow in there. So look at that little taxi, okay, with the tree. Might be playing around with the dye for that. So check out my channel. So let's go through the papers that go with this collection. So I picked up some of the solids, and this is the green and red and dark red, okay, color. So that goes with the collection. And the blue and cream here, so you can see it's kind of a medium blue. And then you have the red and dark green. So there are your colors. That's your palette right there to work with. And let's see, we have Christmas in the City. So you have this awesome pattern, and then you have a cute little storefront. And again, look at those New York taxis with the tree on the top, your presents, your Jolly Santa. Look at his little tiny feet. And of course, they're ice skating. Got a whole stack of presents there that we're going to be playing around with. And then those colors are just gorgeous. So let's take a look at the cut apart. So here are the 4x6s. So you can see Christmas Joy, Merry and Bright. Look at that. There's the Santa, and of course the ice skating. And then on the back side, if you want to use it as a layout, you have the Jolly Santa. And then he's popping out of the present down there. Okay, next up we have, oh, this is 2 sheets of that. I got that Christmas in the City. Okay, I Believe in Santa. So you have these white snowflakes on the red background. And then you have Santa Claus singing, or Saint Nick singing. Maybe it is Jolly Old Saint Nicholas. Lean your ear this way. I don't know. Maybe send me a comment. What song, Christmas song, do you like best? Here we have this beautiful green background, and then we have the candy cane stripe, but this is called Snowflake Wishes. I picked up 2 of these sheets because I love that candy cane stripe. Okay, here we go. Journaling cards. These are the 4x4 journaling card sheet, but of course on this B side you have a Christmas song. And these are the 4x4s. So we'll be making something with that. Why does he have the tree on his head? I don't know. But there's that little, what is that, a gingerbread house? Yep, gingerbread house. Okay, and then the nutcrackers. I love nutcrackers. That is super cute. Okay, here we go. Next sheet, Christmas is coming. So we have this green. Check. And then you have the Santa Clauses with the string of bulbs. Why is it a string of, maybe it's bulbs? I don't know, maybe they're supposed to light up. I've never seen ornaments on a string, but so maybe that's bulbs. But he has his list. Are you naughty or nice this year? Always nice, right? Holiday ornaments is the name of this one. You got those stars on there. And then this is fun. This is jolly. This kind of reminds me like a Dr. Seuss look to it, doesn't it? The long, elongated ornaments there. Okay, and then we have seasonal snowflakes, but this is a green polka dot. There you go. You can see it a little bit. And then on the back side is the red background with the snowflakes. So I got 2 of those. And we have this multi-journaling cards, but it has that medium blue again with the snowflakes. And then here are the cut apart multi-cards. So you have a whole mix of sizes here. Maybe, what is that, 2 by 6, 4 by 4, 4 by 6, something like that, 3 by 4. Cute, right? Okay, last couple of sheets, Gingerbread Lane. So of course on the back you have the little gingerbread houses, the candy canes. You got this one with the holly and the red polka dot, and on the back side are the 3 by 4s. So give you a quick look at that. There you go. Then we have stuffed stockings. So we have this beautiful plaid in that medium blue, and then you have all of those little stockings. Maybe we should make a little fireplace with all the stockings hanging. Oh, that would be cute, wouldn't it? Let me know if you have the die that is a Sizzix die. Maybe we can do something with that. That would be fun. And then of course here's the sticker sheet. So you get your border strips, then you get some titles. And remember, I already have the titles, so I'll be using that as well on here. Let me know, do you want a folio? Do you want a mini album? Which do you like better? Okay, I'm giving it some thought here. But that is my design team package, and if you have any questions, put it in the comments below. Make sure, again, you check out all of this stuff that's available. This is called Season's Greetings by CartaBella, and it's available at countrycraftcreations.com. Okay, everybody, look forward to bringing you another video soon, and until next time, happy crafting. Bye!